right. Wiki on the job. I'm shaking the other can, so camera's moving a little bit. That's because I'm getting round 2 ready for Mr. Wick. That stuff always, like we've always said, that stuff smells good.
That does smell tasty.
And the Eastwood stuff is so forgiving too.
It is. It lays down really nicely.
And it takes a while to flash over, so you can come back and like retouch in a few minutes as opposed to just seconds with most spray paints.
Yeah. The downside to it is you gotta wait a couple hours between coats, but the plus is it just lays down really fucking nice.
Yeah, you can come back and hit it within 5 minutes, you know? Gave Wick the reload. Looking good, Wick.
She's getting there.
We found quite a bit of the shittiness, and it's going away.
That's it. And look, we didn't even have to put any seam sealer on.
You mean the gallons that they put on?
Yeah.
Don't forget down here.
Yeah, I gotta get that spot where I had a little drippage of brake clean.
A little bit of brake clean, cleaned up everything.
I'll get inside this guys too.
A lot of that gets covered by AC box, but you don't want one little line. Will look kind of scary. There we go. Right about here. There you go. And the good thing is, like we were talking about, you and I, that stuff blends with itself even days after.
Yeah, it does.
You don't have that goofy nonsense that you get with some of the paints.